Okay, just a refresher here. We created our initial sketch. Initial sketch should have been 25 by 50, extruded 1 millimeter. Our wall sketch was an offset of 1 in the outside perimeter. That gives us our exterior wall. Now, when we build the interior walls, sometimes it's easier to hide the exterior wall. For now, we're going to leave it for a sec. I'm going to go to Sketch, select my floor, rotate that so we can see it flush. Now I can start building my wall. Now, when you do your walls, a lot of times you can just select that outside perimeter, go down and over. Now, when we make our first square, nothing can extrude because it has to be a closed loop. So we're going to put some dimensions on this, and then we're going to extrude that feature. So this wall here, we're going to make 20 feet. This wall here, we're going to do 12. That's just a basic master bedroom. To extrude this, like I said, we're going to need double lines and then a closed loop. So I'm going to use the offset feature. Click on my line. You can see that makes a double line. Now all we have to do is change it to 1 millimeter. Now when I did that, I double clicked, it created an outside edge. We will need to delete that. If you want, you can use your cut tool. Some of you won't have this, it's just that I double clicked quick and it also selected the floor. Okay, to make a fully enclosed loop, I need to connect these two. I'm going to use my basic line tool, connect across. Okay. Once we got that done, you can see our floor plan is starting to sketch out, and we're going to extrude that. Now this one, just to show a difference from interior wall to exterior wall, I'm going to make that 9 tall. If you remember, we did our exterior wall 10, so it should be a little bit shorter. Looks like my exterior wall on this one was 9 also. I'm going to modify that. I get 10, just so we can see that difference. You can see that step down now. Okay, so I got my first wall done. Pretty basic. Now I'm going to draw a wall for my bathroom, wall for my extra bedroom. So again, we're going to use our sketch tool, select the floor, draw our line. Now in this one, I'm going to extend off this wall, come out, and then up. Hit my escape key. I'm going to select the line tool again, come down from my wall. Now each time you build these walls, remember they do need to be in closed loop. So when I go to my offset tool, change my number to 1. Offset this one. Again, change the number to 1. Now to make those in closed loop, we will need to draw the line to connect those two, like so. Now those can be extruded. Before I do that though, we need to make sure we have our dimensions right. For this one, we're going to do a basic, I think it's 12 feet by 12 feet, so go 12 feet here. And this one will be 12 feet also. We'll just make that simple for you guys. I can extrude. and make that 9 feet tall. Should match up with the other one. Okay. Now, if you want to, you can rename these. If I did them separately, of course, I would call it bedroom. But this one also has a bathroom in it. We know that's got both. This one, we're going to rename master bath. There you go. So let's set up my interior walls to match my diagram. Next, we will put in some doors, windows, and other features. Thanks, guys.